G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And what I've got here, I'm super excited about because we've been waiting for this for a while. This is the new Wurth hand cleaner with the olive scrub. Olive scrub, so that is the aggregate that's in there, or the roughness that you want to clean your hands with. And it's made of olive seeds that are ground up. It's fantastic. It suspends in the liquid really, really well. And it's able to get into all those little nooks and crannies where you want to get the grease and grime out of. Now it has a very light citrus smell, not overpowering, just a very light smell, but it's a very effective cleaner for your workshops, for greasy, dirty hands, but also things like ink and printing equipment and stuff like that, all that printing stuff that gets on your hand that's really hard to remove. This is perfect for it. Now it's pH balanced, which means it's good for everybody's skin. It won't affect your skin like some of the others will with dermatitis and things like that. So it's fantastic, it's safe. Now to use the product, we just put it on our dry hands, we rub it in, we scrub off the dirt, and then we rinse it off with water. So we'll go over and have a look at that, and then we'll come back and have a look at the pump and everything that goes with it. So here's the olive scrub hand cleaner mounted to the wall. As you can see, it's nice and neat, tidy, out of the way. Also, it's got the pump on top, which is fantastic. Instead of having those drums where everyone's putting their hands in and contaminating it, there's none of that. It's clean, it's hygienic, it's fantastic. Now to use it, dry hands, as I said, one pump here, and you'll see that it's quite runny when it comes out. Now I just rub it into my hands. Now I can feel that grit in there, that olive scrub working away. Now I know my hands aren't dirty, but I can still feel the grit in there. So I simply rub it in, wash off all the dirt, then on with the tap and rinse it off. So Wurth hand cleaner with olive scrub. Now it's in the same size container as our previous hand cleaners. So if you've already got a wall mount and a pump, you're ready to go. You just slip it in, pump in, and off you go. If you don't, of course, they're available for purchase as well. And I believe in this month they're out there as a package deal as well. So that's it. Wurth hand cleaner with the olive scrub. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And this hand cleaner, it's ready for work.